Hi everyone, I am doing a little demo project here. I am using a old book and drawing a single image in it with a ruling pen and ink over and over again. I'm using Speedball ink and, like I said, a ruling pen, and I'm drawing this figure, this portrait, over and over. I like to do that to kind of draw one focused thing and concentrate on line and form and not have any pressure to draw separate different things. Anyway, so I've already drawn a bunch of them in here. I like using these older used books because they're just kind of fun. You could use a sketchbook, you could use just a bunch of paper. I'm going to just do a couple of them here just for time reasons, but I'm going to page through what I've already done. You can kind of see what I'm doing. I like this. I like working on this paper. The ink soaks into it. There's not a lot of control. And you can see how different each of these images are, even though I'm working from one face. Anyway, so we'll get to where I haven't done anything yet. So fresh page, you can see the bleed through on the other side. So I don't work on the back of what I've already done. I take a blank piece of watercolor paper and put it behind what I'm working on so the bleed through doesn't go to the next page on my book. I'm adjusting this ruling pen so I can dip it. I'm going to dip it in my ink, tap some off, and then swipe it on this sheet to get some ink off and activate the pen. I'm not using any pre-drawing, I'm just drawing this guy. And again, I do this to work on line and to just be focused on one thing and draw. I'm not going to do many of them in here just for the sake of time, like I said, but if you do this, do it for a while, do it for an hour or so. It sounds like a long time, but the longer you do it, the more interesting your imagery will become, and the more focused and I find calming it is. There's no right or wrong about it or how you do it. I'm going to dab it just a little. That's it for the first one, so we'll do a couple more. I'm going to add some color to this one. I'll do one more and then I'm going to stop. All right, you get the idea. Try it for yourself. Try some focus time with it and see what you think. Thanks for watching.